Go ahead, sige, take yours. Gusto na natin i-simplify yung 8 to 12 kasi nga nasa news yan, yung iba gusto i-abolish. Sabi ko maganda na i-simplify na lang natin. And what are the real goals of the system aside from individual advancement? Gusto natin yung mga bata talaga mag-progress sa kanyang education. Because dati 16 years old, graduate na, walang mahanap masyadong trabaho. But with the additional 2 years, mature na sana yung individual. Makuha niya yung skills na gusto niya. So aside from simplifying it, number one, kasi dati 33 subjects in 2 years, masyadong marami. Yun ang complete yung mga magulang. So ngayon, we are piloting kong mayor a new curriculum for senior high in 900 schools all over the country. And so far, maganda ang feedback. Very simple. The children have more time to work. And kasi at that stage, medyo independent na yung mga bata, would you agree? Medyo they're independent learners. So we can give them more choice to choose their subjects and more of a menu, pero less required. Kumbaga, ang requirement na lang natin is 5 core subjects for our learners. And kasama dyan yung life skills, yung reading, communications, also a little bit of math and science. Yun ang request kasi ng higher education institutions. Kasi yung goal rin natin, ma-simplify yung crediting from yung pathway ng isang bata mula sa senior high school, papuntang college. Marami sa kinukuha niya ngayon sa bagong curriculum or kukunin niya in the future ay credited na towards general education. Dahil ang finding ng EDCOM sa higher education, there are too many general education subjects. So yung bata, pagdating niya sa kolehiyo, hindi niya naaaral talaga yung gusto niya. Kasi almost 40 to 45% of the college course o ang kinukuha, ang required ng CHED para kunin niya ay general education. Eh paano kung gusto niya mag-major sa data science, pero yung minor niya is psychology? Wala siyang espasyo para gawin yun. In other countries, meron siyang espasyo. So dapat we give opportunities to our students na talagang kung anong nasa puso nila, ma-pursue nila. At meron tayong estudyante na magaling sa maraming bagay. So let's give them a chance and huwag natin masyadong i-impose kung gusto natin. Dahil at that age nga, dapat sila yung masunod. And now with artificial intelligence, everything is online sa totoo lang. And children, they can be creative and diba? They don't have to be all in STEM or all in accounting and business, diba? Pwedeng both eh. So yun ang isa pang tinanggal natin sa senior high school. Tatanggalin na natin yung track. At we're allowing children to cross-enroll. So pwede siya mag-techbook, pwede rin siya mag-STEM, pwede siya mag-techbook, pwede siya mag-business, pwede siya mag-business, pwede siya mag-arts. Lahat yun nasa menu. Ang magiging challenge lang for the department and for you teachers is finding the match teachers. Kasi syempre, pag maraming offering sa menu, you need also teacher to teach. Pero ipili na talaga natin at simplify natin para yung bata at yung mga pamilya are also confident na magkakatrabaho na. Bakit? Kasi in-expand na natin yung on-the-job training ng isang bata. So very practical. Kasi ang comments from employers is that medyo immature pa yung bata. Wala pa siyang life skills, yung attitude to work, tapos pati na rin yung competencies niya related to his future work. Eh pag ngayon, 80 to 300 hours tayo, pag nag-expand tayo to 640 hours, yun makikita talaga nun, it's mutually beneficial kasi yung employer makikita niya, magaling tong bata.